Quick question. Do you feel like you've got so much to share, but no clue what digital product to create first? You're not alone, because turning your expertise into income doesn't have to feel confusing. This is Alease Michelle, founder of Coach Simplify Academy, and she has created a simple guide to help you figure out exactly what you should sell based on where you are right now in your entrepreneurial journey. It's called Find Your Best Digital Offer Path, and it's 100% free. Inside, you'll walk through what type of digital product makes the most sense for you right now. Whether it's a course, ebook, workshop, or membership, this guide gives you clarity and a simple next step. Don't waste another month guessing what to create. Download the free guide today and finally get clear on your offer path. It's time to stop overthinking and start moving forward with confidence. Grab the free guide now. Remember, you're not behind, you're not too late. You're just one smart decision away from building a business and a life that fits you perfectly.